Now, children, this is a very important topic of this chapter. That is the principle of superposition of wave. You will follow this topic in class 12th also. So it's very important to understand this topic. Now, first of all, what is the principle of superposition of the wave? So, what is the statement of this wave? Statement is this: when a number of waves travel through a medium simultaneously, the resultant displacement of any particle of the medium at any given time is equal to the algebraic sum of the displacement due to the individual waves. For example, during orchestra, so many instruments they are playing. But what will happen when they will travel in the same medium? Sometimes at a particular point in the medium, two sound wave that will overlap on each other. यानी दो साउंड वेव जो होती हैं वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप कर जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल गिटार एंड सितार, इन दोनों की साउंड मीडियम के किसी पॉइंट पर जाके मिक्स हो गई यानी ओवरलैप हो गई. तो जब वो ओवरलैप होती हैं तो उस पॉइंट पर मीडियम के एक न्यू वेव फॉर्म होती है, यानी मीडियम का पार्टिकल जो होता है वो डिस्प्लेस होता है और उस पॉइंट पर जो रिजल्ट वेव बनती है उसको हम कहते हैं रिजल्टेंट वेव. तो उस रिजल्टेंट वेव का डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमें कैसे मिलता है? बाय टेकिंग द अलजेब्रिक सम ऑफ द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ड्यू टू द इंडिविजुअल वेव्स. क्लियर? So this is the statement of the principle of superposition. Means if y1, y2, y3 and yn, we have a n number of waves. They are traveling in the same medium. So these are the displacement of the waves. When they will superimpose on each other, meaning of the superimposition means when these waves overlap on each other at any point in the medium at any given time. So at that particular point you will find a new wave which is called the resultant wave. So what is the resultant displacement of the resultant wave at that particular point? You will be getting it by taking y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 up to yn. तो जितनी भी वेव उस पॉइंट पर मीडियम के ओवरलैप कर रही हैं उन सब का जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट है उसका अलजेब्रिक सम दैट विल गिव यू द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द रिजल्टेंट वेव एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. So how you can understand it? I am giving you example. Suppose I have taken only two waves. These two waves having different displacement. The displacement of this wave y1 is equal to 5 centimeter. Displacement of this wave y2 is equal to 2 centimeter. Now these are traveling in the same direction and these are moving in the same medium also. Now at one particular instant when this wave ओवरलैप ऑन दिस वेव, यानी ये दोनों एक दूसरे के ऊपर सुपर इम्पोज हो गई. ओवरलैप मीन्स सुपर इम्पोज. सो व्हेन दे विल ओवरलैप ऑन ईच अदर, सो इन द मीडियम एट दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट the wave which you will get, this is called the resultant wave. Okay, so what will be the displacement of this resultant wave according to the principle of superposition? Y is equal to y1 plus y2. As you have seen, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 up to yn. जितनी भी वेव ओवरलैप करेंगी. तो here I have taken only two wave, so y is equal to y1 plus y2. So y is equal to 5 plus 2. So what will be the resultant displacement of this wave? 7 centimeter. So you are observing I have made the amplitude of more value, that is y is equal to 7 centimeter. Means यहाँ वेव की जो इंटेंसिटी है या उसकी एनर्जी जो है that will be increased. Okay. Now see in this case if I am taking the two wave having same displacement, यानी दोनों का एम्पलीट्यूड क्या हो? सेम हो. एक का प्लस ए दूसरे का प्लस ए. When they will superimpose on each other, so at the particular point in the medium at any particular time, you will be getting the resultant wave whose amplitude or you can say whose displacement is just twice of the amplitude of the individual wave. ये दोनों जब मीडियम में किसी पॉइंट पर मिक्स होंगी या ओवरलैप होंगी और यू कैन से सुपरिम्पोज होंगी, then you will be getting this wave at that particular point and the resultant displacement will become twice of A. Okay, now example number 3. Suppose crest of one wave is traveling and the trough of one wave is traveling in the medium. Now if the crest of one wave fall on the trough of the other wave, crest having 3 centimeter displacement, crest having minus 2 centimeter displacement. when the crest and trough will fall on the each other at a particular time or at a particular point in the medium. What will be the resultant displacement? Y is equal to y1 plus y2. Here y1 is plus 3 and y2 is minus 2. So what you are getting? Plus 1 centimeter. Since you are getting plus 1 centimeter, so resultant wave displacement will be along the positive direction. So you will be getting y is equal to plus 1 centimeter. तो जो रिजल्टेंट वेव होगी उसका एम्पलीट्यूड डिक्रीज़ कर जाएगा और उसकी एनर्जी भी डिक्रीज़ कर जाएगी, उसकी इंटेंसिटी डिक्रीज़ कर जाएगी, बिकॉज इंटेंसिटी इज़ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एम्पलीट्यूड स्क्वायर होती है. Okay, now see another example. Here we have taken the crest of one wave 3 centimeter and the trough of another wave y2 minus 5 centimeter. So if the crest of one wave fall on the trough of the other wave at particular point in the medium, then at that particular point you will be getting this resultant wave. Now this resultant wave will form trough. Why? Because y is equal to y1 plus y2. Y is equal to, this is 3 and this is minus 5. So you will be getting minus 2 centimeter. So again amplitude decreased, but direction will be negative y-axis. Okay. So the amplitude again decreased, but the trough is formed. Other example, if I have taken the crest of one wave y1 is equal to a and the trough of the other wave of the same value, but it is minus a. When these two wave traveling in the same medium, so if the crest of one wave fall on the trough of the other wave, then according to principle of superposition, y is equal to y1 plus y2. So this will be a minus a. You will be getting 0. This means no displacement of the wave, no amplitude will be formed. Okay, so the 0 displacement and no energy of the wave is traveling. So no amplitude, no wave occur at that particular point. So this is about the principle of superposition.